kayaking in a river.
Yeah? You're taking the inflatable out?
Yeah.
Cool. Then what were you doing? Me and Mummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're all going to play on the beach?
Yeah, probably.
Cool.
I'll probably have a swimming pool.
You're going to do some swimming?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you think you can jump in out the boat?
No!
I reckon we could.
No, Dad. I went in because they all fell ill because they all died in the middle of Carway. That's because they ate a whole boat.
A whole boat?
Yeah. You know plastic things in mice?
Did you think the mice want to go kayaking?
No.
Helping! Josh was helping! Yeah. Woo! She's up! You'll see.
Dad. Oh, Dad, it's already starting to float.
Well, that's what it's supposed to be.
Right. Go now. Go, ready? Go. Yeah. What am I thinking? What was I thinking?
Eh?
What was I thinking?
Exactly right.
Yeah.
Could this be any more chilled? Could it?
No.
Right.
Yeah. You're right. Keep up with it. That's amazing. Oh, that. I found a twig.
Lunches! Woo!
Oh my God! Why? Why bunches, Dad? Why?
Everything now?
Yeah, it's fine. You know what? Maybe next time I shouldn't be that scared.
Next time you won't even think about it, right?
Yeah. Oh, Dad, cobweb off.
I'll go through the middle of it. Oh.
Okay. That.
I know, don't worry.
Maybe wet will, maybe wet will.
Right, can you turn the camera off?
Okay.
Yeah, maybe. How you doing, Jay?
Fine.
Yeah?
We're literally just drifting down a river.
Well,
Why can't I put my mouth in my water?
is that all the rapids you're going to get? Here we go. Woohoo! Think we're good? Pew pew. Right, where's the deep bit, Jasper? Tell me where the deep bit is. Rocks everywhere at this level, mate. It's just a matter of finding a good way down. Woo! There you go, Jasper. Look up. Look up. Woo! Woo! Here it is. Woo! Woo! Oh, and there's the rock. Question is, are they here? Molly's asleep. Molly's asleep. All that's going to happen is, it's just going to plop off the end. Ready? Woo! I told you it just plops off the end. You going again? Oh, there's a big fish. Yeah, big fish. I've just seen it. It swam into there. Keep looking over there. See if we can see him again. Gonna do it again. Come on then. Make sure you sat right back. Right. It's quite slow this bit, so you can just paddle back. And you ready? You ready? Let's see if we can boof it in an inflatable. Woo! Not really, it's impossible.
Go, 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 go! That was so cool. Say what again? You can say that again, me. Okay. Got Jabanya 100. We're going down some fence. You know, fence. Fast. Just fence. You go fence. You want fence? You want that fence. You want fence? You get fence. Let's look for some not as you go.
I'm going to take you to the sea.
Okay. Okay then. This fun bit just makes you wind pass. So the camera's still on, but this is gonna be really fun. We're putting this on YouTube. Are we putting this on YouTube, Dad?
Maybe if it looks good.
Okay, man. Oh, Shambhala, look at the weapon claw. Oh, who cares? Oh, Shambhala, look at the weapons of it. Who cares? Oh, Shambhala. Okay.
You're around this weekend, come say hi, let's party. I love you all. Happy Shambhala!